Hey there, food enthusiasts! Welcome back to Amazon Prime Picks, the channel where we uncover the best kitchen gadgets for your culinary adventures. Today, we have a gem that will elevate your rice cooking game to a whole new level. Introducing the Aroma Housewares ARC 914 SBD Digital Cool Touch Rice Grain Cooker and Food Steamer. Get ready to say goodbye to overcooked or undercooked rice nightmares, because this little beauty is here to save the day. Just look at its sleek stainless steel design with a shiny silver finish. It's like having a stylish sidekick in your kitchen. Now, let's talk about simplicity. This rice cooker is as user-friendly as it gets. Even if you're a kitchen newbie, you'll be able to operate it like a pro. With just a touch of a button, you can cook up to 4 cups of uncooked rice, which magically transforms into a fluffy 8 cups of cooked rice. Trust me, this rice cooker takes the guesswork out of cooking. It's equipped with state-of-the-art digital technology that monitors the temperature and cooking time, ensuring that your rice is cooked to perfection every single time. It's like having your own personal rice cooking assistant. But wait, there's more. This versatile wonder is not just a rice cooker. It's also a food steamer. Yes, you heard it right. While your rice is cooking below, you can simultaneously steam your favorite veggies, fish, or even dumplings on the upper tray. Talk about multitasking like a boss. And guess what? The Aroma Housewares ARC 914 SBD has a cool touch feature, so you won't have to worry about burning your precious fingers. Now, let's address the dreaded cleanup. We've all been there, spending precious time scrubbing pots and pans. But fear not, because this rice cooker is a breeze to clean. The Nonstick Inner Pot and accessories make the cleanup process a walk in the park. Just a quick wash, and you're good to go. Pros: versatility. This appliance serves dual functions as a rice cooker and food steamer, allowing you to cook rice and steam other dishes simultaneously, saving time and effort. Easy to use. The user-friendly control panel and intuitive buttons make it simple to operate, even for beginners. Consistent results. The advanced digital technology ensures that your rice is cooked to perfection every time, eliminating the risk of overcooked or undercooked rice. Cool touch feature. The cool touch exterior surface ensures safety during handling, reducing the risk of accidental burns. Easy cleanup. The non-stick inner pot and accessories make cleaning up a breeze, saving you time and effort. Cons: capacity limit. With a 4-cup uncooked rice capacity, 8 cups cooked, this rice cooker may not be ideal for larger families or gatherings, where larger quantities of rice are required. Limited features. While it excels in rice cooking and steaming, it may lack additional features such as programmable settings or advanced cooking modes found in higher-end models. It's important to note that these pros and cons are based on general user feedback and experiences. Your individual needs and preferences may vary. So, whether you're a busy student, a parent juggling multiple tasks, or a food enthusiast exploring new flavors, this rice cooker will become your trusty companion. Say goodbye to kitchen disasters and hello to perfectly cooked rice and steamed delights. That wraps up our review, folks. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Amazon Prime Picks for more fantastic latest gadgets. Until next time, keep cooking and keep smiling.